Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting a dry base that will mimic breadcrumbs. Cornflakes, crackers, or rolled oats work great because they're low in moisture and toast evenly. Once chosen, measure roughly 1 cup to yield about 1:1. 5 cups finished crumbs. This keeps texture predictable. Next, assemble a blender or food processor, a fine sieve, and a baking sheet. Make sure your chosen base is dry. If not, toast it briefly to remove residual moisture so the crumbs will crisp. You pulse the dry base in short bursts so you control particle size. 6 to 8 pulses gives coarse crumbs for coatings, 12 to 15 yields fine crumbs for binding. Once pulsed, spread crumbs on a baking sheet in a thin layer and toast at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 minutes. Stir halfway so edges don't burn. After cooling slightly, mix in seasonings, salt, pepper, herbs, so the flavors adhere. This step develops color and removes any lingering moisture, improving crunch and shell. You finish by cooling crumbs completely so steam doesn't rehydrate them. Then sift or shake through a fine sieve to separate fines from any large pieces. Transfer to an airtight jar and label with date. Most stay crisp for about 2 weeks. If you used oily crackers or seeds and crumbs feel greasy, blot with paper towel before processing. Once prepared, retoast gently at 150 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes, stirring every 3 minutes to rescue soggy batches without burning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.